Hello everyone, happy new year, and with this new year I have brought a very new course for all of you, which is on functional programming in Java. Now functional programming, stream API, Lambda, collectors, optional, these all are introduced from Java 8 onwards, and it is extremely crucial to know this even if you have any prior knowledge of Java, but it is outdated. It won't be accepted anymore while reviewing the projects because all the old codes, outdated codes, even if the solutions are correct, they are refactored with stream API and Lambda expressions now. So it's very crucial you take this course for your career and for anyone who is appearing for interviews. For them also, this course is important. They will ask you to write the codes using modern Java, which is what we are going to learn here. And in this course, you will get hands on program practice. And we have selected the top 63 functions which will cover most of the requirements. This is the design of the course, will cover all of these functions. And after completing a handful of methods, we will have practice programs at every step so that you can utilize and implement your prior knowledge in actual problems. In every session, we will have a target of completing certain methods, which will mark yellow. The incomplete ones will be marked red, and once we complete the methods, we will mark them green. And this is how we are going to learn, and after every step we will have practice programs. It's going to be a very interesting course. Without any further delay, let's begin.
So in this session we are going to learn how to use the forEach method, and at the end of the session we are going to mark it green. We will write a program on how to print a list of integers using forEach. So over here we have a session 2 package created and we have a session 2 class created. So now let us get into the code. First we are going to have a list of integers. Let's have the integers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we are going to see to the traditional imperative method, which is by using a for loop. So by using a for loop, we print all the list of integers. Now we are going to print it one by one. Let's remove the ln. Done. Let us run the code. You can see it has printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the traditional method of doing. Now we are going to use forEach or other functional programming, the declarative manner, and we are going to print the list of integers. So we are going to comment this out. So first we have to convert the list into stream. So dot stream method. So you can see over here that it is returning a stream of integers right over here. Okay, so enter. Now we are going to call our forEach method. So dot forEach. Okay, so now we are going to create a static print method inside the session 2 class. Okay, so let us do it. So we are going to have integer num as the input. Okay, and we are going to print num. All right, let us remove the ln. As it is a static method, we can directly call it using the session 1 class in the session 2 class in the forEach parenthesis using these double colons. Okay, so this double colons might confuse you. Actually these are used to call a method from any object or class. This thing, okay, this is called method reference. Okay, reference to a static method, as the print method is static. Okay, now let us run the program to see what happens. So you can see it has displayed the same result as the declarative one, 1 2 3 4 5. So now let us do one thing. We are going to remove the static keyword. So you can see over here it gives a compilation error because we cannot call a non-static method using the class name. Okay, so how to solve this problem? The solution is simple. We have to make a object of the class and then we have to call it using the object. Okay, so let us create a object of the session2 class. So now we are going to call the print method using the session2 object. Okay, now it doesn't give any more errors. This is also called method reference, but previously it was reference to a static method. Now it is reference to an instance method of a particular object. Okay, if you run the program, the result is going to be same. So now instead of writing the print method separately, we can directly call the print method from system.out in the parenthesis. Okay, so let us do it. Okay, if we have also called it using double colons. Now let us run the program. You can see it again displays the same result. Okay, so let us summarize what have we learned from this session. We have learned how to use our own method in a static and non-static way. We have also learned what is a method reference. We have also learned how to use the forEach method. Okay, so now let us mark our function green. So congratulations, you have completed one function, that is forEach, and we have marked it green. That's it for this session. I'll meet you in the next session. Bye.